Gardening is a rewarding hobby that brings immense joy and satisfaction. It allows you to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and witness the miracle of growth firsthand. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small balcony, gardening can transform any space into a vibrant, living sanctuary. It is a great way to connect with nature. The simple act of planting a seed and watching it grow can be incredibly fulfilling. As you nurture your plants, you develop a deeper appreciation for the natural world and its cycles. You can grow your own food, which is not only healthier but also more sustainable. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting fresh, organic vegetables right from your garden. It's a wonderful way to ensure that you and your family are eating nutritious, chemical-free produce. It is also a healthy activity. Gardening involves physical exercise which can help improve your overall fitness. Digging, planting, weeding, and watering all contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Plus, spending time outdoors in the fresh air and sunshine can boost your mood and mental well-being. Imagine stepping into your garden. The sight of colorful flowers, the sound of birds chirping, and the scent of blooming plants can be incredibly soothing. Your garden becomes a personal retreat, a place where you can relax and unwind. You see colorful flowers blooming, each one a testament to your care and dedication. The vibrant hues and delicate petals create a feast for the eyes, making your garden a beautiful and inviting space. Fresh vegetables are ready to pick. The joy of harvesting your own produce is unmatched. It's a rewarding experience that connects you to the food you eat and the effort it takes to grow it. You feel a sense of peace and accomplishment. Gardening is for everyone, regardless of age or experience. It's a hobby that can be enjoyed alone or with family and friends, creating lasting memories and a sense of community. You do not need a lot of space. Even in urban areas, you can create a green oasis. Small gardens, balcony pots, and vertical gardening techniques can maximize your space and bring nature closer to you. You can start small with a few pots. Begin with easy-to-grow plants and gradually expand your garden as you gain confidence. The key is to enjoy the process and learn from each experience. With a little effort, you can create your own green oasis. Gardening is a journey of growth, patience, and discovery. It's a way to bring beauty, health, and happiness into your life. The first step in creating a successful garden is to choose the right spot. This decision can make or break your gardening experience. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Without adequate sunlight, your plants may not thrive or produce the yield you expect. Make sure the area gets enough sun. Good soil is equally important. Test the soil to ensure it has the right nutrients and pH balance for your plants. The soil should be loose and well drained. Compacted or waterlogged soil can hinder root growth and lead to poor plant health. You can improve your soil by adding compost. Compost enriches the soil with essential nutrients and improves its structure. Also, think about water access. Your garden will need regular watering. Consistent moisture is key to healthy plant growth, especially during dry spells. Choose a spot that is easy to reach with a hose or watering can. This will make your gardening tasks more convenient and ensure your plants get the water they need. Now it's time to prepare the soil. This is the foundation of a healthy garden, so take your time to do it right. Clear away weeds and rocks. These can compete with your plants for nutrients and water, so it's important to remove them thoroughly. Dig down about 12 inches and loosen the soil. This helps roots to grow deeply and access more nutrients and water. Add compost to the soil. Mix it in well. Compost enriches the soil with organic matter, which is essential for plant growth. Compost adds nutrients and improves drainage. It also helps retain moisture, which is crucial during dry spells. Choose easy-to-grow plants. Good choices for beginners are lettuce, tomatoes, and zucchini. These plants are relatively low maintenance and can provide a bountiful harvest. You can start with seeds or seedlings. Seeds are more economical, but seedlings give you a head start. Plant your seeds or seedlings according to the instructions. Water them gently to avoid washing away the soil. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Water your garden regularly to keep it healthy. The soil should be moist but not soggy for best results. Fertilize your plants every few weeks. Use a balanced fertilizer. Weed your garden regularly. Weeds compete with your plants for water and essential nutrients. Harvest your vegetables when they are ripe and ready. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and hard work. Gardening is a journey of learning and discovery. Enjoy the process and the rewards it brings to your life.